Do you like my new cut, sir?
I better hide, my girl. There is a new Rizzler in town.
Thank you, sir. Now I can legally stop trying to send myself to the lobby.
How much was it?
Very, very expensive, sir. I've been saving money for 78 years. But it was worth it for $3.
You paid $3 for a haircut?
Yes, sir. But Amir looked fresh as a cucumber.
Don't you mean cool?
Amir was born cool, sir.
What do you want, Amir? I have to buy my girl a gift for our 24th anniversary.
Don't worry about that, sir. She won't be your girl for too long.
What's that supposed to mean?
Now I am become Riz, the stealer of girlfriends.
You've been trying to bag the lunch lady since 2nd grade, and you're in college now. No one is scared of your rizzing technique, Amir.
Don't make me use 1% of my power, sir.
Shiver me timbers.
You asked for it, sir. Now you will lose girlfriend and Amir too.
Wait, you're leaving me?
Sorry, sir. You leave me no choice.
Amir, please. I have a tattoo with your name on it.
I love you too, sir. But I have to complete my battle pass. I only need to rizz up one more girl to become the true Sigma.
Don't do it. No one can handle that kind of power.
I built different, sir. I know Victoria's Secret. And I know who asked.
Why are you doing this?
I saw a TikTok and it motivated me. Now prepare to meet the lobby maker. I deliver your food, sir.
Sir? I'm clearly a princess.
As you say, beach.
What? You're so rude, Amir.
Ma'am, your pin is on the beach. Do you want your order or not?
Oh my god. I've ordered as a joke. That place is called the Snake Beach. It's so dangerous.
Don't worry, my lady. I build different.
Amir, be careful. They are so dangerous. You will end bited and dead.
Riz app says you should reply with snakes wouldn't kill me, but your beauty will.
Snakes wouldn't kill me, but your beauty will.
Aw, you're so cute, Amir. But I need you alive. And hurry up, I'm starving.
Don't worry, my lady. We are on the way.
We? What do you mean by we?
Yippee!
Oh my god. Why he's so friendly to you?
What can I say, my lady? I'm a charming man.
Of course you are.
We need a pit stop, my lady. Snake is thirsty. I will give a sip of your Starbucks.
Okay, but no way he's touching my donut.
I'm at P. Diddy's party, Amir.
What do you need?
We need 12 pizzas, 20 cheeseburgers, 10 bottles of cola, 3 bottles of baby oil, and 3 packs of condoms.
Wait, what? Why baby oil and condoms?
I don't know, man. P. Diddy said there's no party without balloons.
Bro, what? You serious?
Yeah, that's what he said. All right, man, just get here quick.
Can I get a 5-star review too?
Yeah, just get here and don't forget the stuff.
On my way, sir. I'm here, but there's a problem.
What is it now?
The guards won't let me in.
Did you tell them you're here for the delivery?
Yeah, but they said I'm not on the list.
Go to the back entrance. Diddy's room is there.
Alright, going now. Wait, big problem. Diddy is trying to oil me up.
Oh, don't worry, man. He's just being a little playful.
Playful. Dude, he pulled out a big flute.
Did he plays the flute now?
No, not that kind of flute.
Oh,
Bro, please help me. This guy's crazy.
just relax, man. Diddy's just having fun.
Fun? He's trying to grape me.
What's wrong with grapes? Are you allergic?
Bro, you don't get it. I'm leaving.
Amir, wait. You forgot your tip.
I don't care about the tip. Diddy was trying to give me another kind of tip.
What kind of tip?
I'm done, man. Don't ever call me again.
Amir. I want to become Amir.
What, sir? Why you want to become me, sir?
Because I want to be built different.
For you to become Amir, sir. You need to pass Amir test first, sir.
Okay, no problem. Go.
What is the most important thing during the day, sir?
Easy question. Of course, delivering food.
Wrong answer, sir. Correct answer is saying at least 1 million times, sir, during the day, sir.
Hey, this one was tricky. It doesn't count.
It counts, sir.
And how are you even saying sir 1 million times a day?
Sir is just built different, sir. You got -1 point, sir. Next question, sir. What blood do you have, sir?
What is even this question? I have a minus?
Wrong, sir. You should have Amir blood, sir.
What? What are you talking about? What Amir blood?
This blood is built different, sir. -2 points, sir. If you want to become Amir, you need to try harder, sir. Next question, sir. How are you built, sir?
Oh, this one is extremely...
I deliver your food.
Good luck. I am in the middle of a desert in Nevada. Have fun delivering my food.
No problem, sir.
I'll give you an extra $3 tip if you make it in 20 minutes.
Sir, I speeding.
What's the speed limit? Are you crazy? Slow down.
No, sir. I need extra $3.
It's been 10 minutes. Are you close?
Yes, I have reached the desert. Walking to you.
You're not making it.
I'm him, sir.
Plug AI told me to respond with,
The only thing impossible here is being this pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet. Wait. Why does it say you are in Area 51?
I took wrong turn. Sir, I made a new friend. Sir, his name is George. I am happy with George.
Is that an alien?
Sir, he has a name. It is George.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, you have 2 minutes.
No worries, sir. I'm in your area. Sir, there is big snake.
Fight him.
No, sir. I have no enemies. I give him bite of burger.
What?
Look, sir, he is happy. I make new snake friend.
No way.
His name is George too.
Oh my god. Are you here?
I see you, sir. I'm here.
No way. I will tip you with $4 whole.
Thank you, sir.
Follow for more content.
This watch costs $4,000. Is that okay with you?
Only.
What do you mean only? It's $4,000, not $400.
Yeah, I know that.
Are you rich?
Nope. But my dad he gets me whatever I want.
Actually, hold on. The watch is $4,000. Sorry, I missed a zero.
That's fine.
Wait, I missed another zero. It's actually $4 million.
Let me check. Yeah, I've got a deal.
Oh no, mom, I missed yet another zero. It's actually $40 million.
Are you messing with me?
I'd only lie if I said you don't look gorgeous.
Oh, you're smooth, but send me proof. I want to see the price. That says 400 million.
Oh yeah, silly me, missed another zero.
I can't afford that.
How about a special deal, $39.99 just for you?
He'll negotiate $25 million.
Sorry, someone already offered $40 million.
Fine, $41 million deal.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Hey, I'm in trouble. My dad and I are broke. I tried selling the watch, but the buyer says it's only worth $29,000. Can you confirm he's wrong?
It's not wrong, mom.
You scammed me. Refund me or we'll be homeless. Please, I'm desperate.
Womp womp.
Amir! Why is my food still not arrived?
I can't deliver food to you today.
Are you joking? I'll just order from Manjeet then.
No, bloody stop that. I cannot deliver your food because I quit Uber Eats, sir.
The hell? You quit Uber Eats? That's like your life, isn't it?
Delivering 1,000 orders a day gets very boring.
But you're built different, Amir. You can't just quit!
Yes, I can, sir. All the tips saved up is enough to retire my entire family. See, sir, everybody's so proud of me.
Please don't do this. You're my #1 delivery driver. And if I can't order from you, who will I order from?
Oh, don't worry, sir. My grandpa come out of retirement. His name is Rajat. He even quicker than Usain Bolt.
You got to be joking, right? Isn't he like 100?
I deliver your food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I'm in a forest in Madagascar. It's full of dangerous species here. Have fun delivering my food.
No problem, sir. I built different.
Yeah, you'll have to go across the deserts and the seas. It will take you days to arrive.
Holy yapping of the yapping tongues. Shut up, bro. I coming to you.
Komanasai, Amir.
I arrived in Madagascar, sir.
Bruh, how is this even possible? You took less than 5 minutes.
I told you, sir. I am built different.
No way. If you make it in less than 10 minutes, I will tip you with $101.
$100. Oh my god, sir. This is my biggest tip so far. I be there soon.
Go, Amir. Fast.
Oh no, sir. There is big problem. Crocodile wants to attack me.
Oh my god. How huge is that thing?
That's what she said.
Run.
No, sir. I have no enemies. I gave him bite of burger. We friends now. I call him Snowflake.
No way.
He is so cute, sir. Do you want to pet him?
Nah, bro, I'm good. Just deliver my food.
Yes, sir.
Amir, where are you?
I am here, sir. I have your food.
Yay! There you go, Amir.
Youpee! Do you like my new cut, sir?
I better hide, my girl. There is a new Rizzler in town.
Thank you, sir. Now I can legally stop trying to send myself to the lobby.
How much was it?
Very expensive, sir. I've been saving money for 78 years. But it was worth it for $3
You paid $3 for a haircut?
Yes, sir. But Amir looked fresh as a cucumber.
Don't you mean cool?
Amir was born cool, sir.
What do you want, Amir? I have to buy my girl a gift for our 24th anniversary.
Don't worry about that, sir. She won't be your girl for too long.
What's that supposed to mean?
Now I am become Riz, the stealer of girlfriends.
You've been trying to bag the lunch lady since 2nd grade, and you're in college now. No one is scared of your rizzing technique, Amir.
Don't make me use 1% of my power, sir.
Shiver me timbers.
You asked for it, sir. Now you will lose girlfriend and Amir too.
Wait, you're leaving me?
Sorry, sir. You leave me no choice.
Amir, please. I have a tattoo with your name on it.
I love you too, sir. But I have to complete my battle pass. I only need to rizz up one more girl to become the true Sigma.
Don't do it. No one can handle that kind of power.
I built different, sir. I know Victoria's Secret. And I know who asked.
Why are you doing this?
I saw a TikTok and it motivated me. Now prepare to meet the lobby maker.
Amir, why are you so popular on YouTube? I see videos of you all the time.
Am I popular in YouTube, sir? I thought it was a dream. How popular am I, sir?
You're a YouTube legend, Amir. Everyone knows you.
Oh, can I be friends with Mr. Beast, sir?
Probably not yet.
Oh,
But I have a lot of Amirs in my comments.
they are clones, sir. Or my brother. I don't have YouTube, sir. I have only this, sir.
I have more apps on my TV. How do you even text me then? Amir Jr., reply!
What is up, sir?
Why isn't your Baba responding?
He taking, sir.
Okay, then can you deliver to me?
Of course, sir.
I'm in another universe right now, kinda lost.
Okay, sir, I coming.
Okay, $3 tip if you get here in 10 seconds.
$10, my diet is on fire, sir.
What the f?
I ate too much butter chicken.
Amir Jr.?
Oh, sir,
What is it?
I lost.
Oh no. Amir, help.
I hear beta. I save you.
Amir, can you deliver my food?
Amir no longer delivers food for Uber Eats.
What? Who are you?
His boss, Amir, got fired yesterday.
What? How he got fired? He is your best food delivery.
And this is a problem. He was stealing everyone's food. No one had job because of him. He was delivering every order.
I think it's a good thing.
No, it's not good. And what's the worst? He was stealing every tip.
Wait, Amar?
How did you know, sir?
After this tip, it was pretty obvious. And where the is Amir?
I deliver your food, sir.
Not you again, Amir. I was about to cancel the order. I'm in the Ice Age. It's freezing cold here. Good luck delivering my food.
No worries, sir. I build different.
If you make it in 20 minutes, I will tip you $1 whole.
Your order is my faith, sir. I don't need that much. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Wait, how? Time machine doesn't exist.
My ride is a mammoth, sir.
No way!
I told you I'm built different. But we have a problem. Mammoth is angry, sir. Maybe he's hungry. I will give him a bite of your burger. He is so friendly now. His name is Mamo.
Ha ha ha, Amir. You're the best delivery guy on planet. Please leave something for me too.
Sir, we have another problem. Mammoth was too hungry. He eats all your food. I'm sorry, sir.
Amir, no! It should be my last meal. I will give you negative feedback.
No, sir, please. I will make you a burger. Just wait a second.
Thanks for the order, Amir. But this is disgusting. What is this?
This is all I can do with Mammoth's poop. Hope you enjoy it, sir. Don't forget to follow me for my next adventures.